would be what does the harvesting look like? And I guess the one biggest question that a lot of farmers ask me is what's SA's biggest concern in mechanical harvesting? What, in your opinion, would be the major barrier for farmers to not move to a mechanized solution?
The mechanized solution starts with the soil preparation. We always say the stuff that doesn't go into the harvester, you don't have to take out.
Yes.
So that is really the ultimate is the better your conditions that you starting to harvest, the better the harvesters will work.
Yeah. So the De Wolf Toro harvester launched last year at NAMPO. What's the talk on the street? What's the feedback? Have we heard anything from the guys yet?
The De Wolf Toro is a little bit lower capacity machine. That would be more suitable for the capacities of our pack house sizes in South Africa. On average, we're talking 2.5 hectares per day that we can harvest easy with this machine. The machine has got very good cleaning capacity, and it's very soft on the potatoes. So the cleaning units that's on this machine was developed that we can handle the product with very little damage on it.
Obviously, nice bunker feature and functionality. What's the size of the bunker? How many potatoes can it keep in that bunker?
We can do 5.5 tons in the bunker if we have a fixed bunker, or we've got an option on this machine that we can have a bunker of offload on the move. There on the video that we're looking at now, that is a fixed bunker machine. So this unit you can fill and then offload once the bunker is full. The offload on the move bunker, you can come next to the machine and it can work like an elevator machine that you offloading while harvesting.
Yeah, so I guess it's all about the soft handling, not to put damage on those potatoes before, especially for us, because most of our potatoes probably goes to the fresh market industry. Hey.
Yeah,
So,
most of the potatoes is for the fresh market industry, Etienne. And then if you look at the way that you handle potatoes, if you handle it in bulk, the damage on the potatoes is actually less when you handle them in single file.
okay, wonderful. So about the standard QM harvester, what does it stand for? Where do you think the market for a machine this size is? This is obviously now not a bunker machine anymore. This is just an elevator machine. But what do you think is the benefit of a QM? I see this one's actually in South Africa that we're showing you on the video in the top right.
Yeah, we've got quite a few of these machines that's running. It needs soft conditions, so yes, the D-stone bed is definitely the answer for this type of harvester. You don't have all the cleaning systems on it, but the QM stands for Quality Master. So it's a really soft star cleaning system. Everybody was scared of the star units that was used previously on harvesters. These stars is made out of polyurethane, and Standard has got a patent on this star cleaning unit, where it's very soft on the potato and it's running at very low speeds. So the machine's capacity is quite a bit lower than the bigger T2 harvester of Standard, but still it's the harvesting capacity is over 2 hectares per day that we can reach with this machine. We are harvesting at about 5 kilometers an hour.
Okay.
So you have the place at the back where you can put people to do the final cleaning by hand.
Okay. Sorting out of all of the clods and stuff if they should make their way through the machine.
That's right.
So I think if we're looking at these machines and the technology that we've shown on these videos, it's quite large equipment. Are there any solutions for smaller potato farmers or farmers looking to enter the market and start up?
That's why AFCRI brought the EMAC equipment on board. On the EMAC, we've got very small planters that you can actually plant potatoes almost by hand. You've got a bunker where you can fill your planting elements by hand. So that's for the smaller scale farmer. We've got a potato digger that we put the potatoes just on top of the soil again. And then there's a very interesting machine that EMAC is calling the Special, where you lift one single row and you actually take the product of the machine and the soil goes over the machine. So it's a turnaround of the type of cleaning unit that we're using on our other harvesters. You take the product out and then it's got a box filler at the back where you can fill boxes and put the boxes on the soil, back on the soil while you're harvesting.
Okay.
So yes, there is a big range of smaller equipment for the smaller farmer. And then the EMAC has got the single row harvesters as well with bunker up to 5.5